Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to apply the AI anime filter on TikTok. To do this one, make sure to have an account on CapCut application to follow the process. So, go to your CapCut application. Here, in Templates, search AI anime filter. Here, you can see several types of that filter. Choose any of these based on your preference and tap here, Use Template. Here, choose a photo. As for me, I'll choose Selena Gomez photo. Then tap Preview. Then, to continue, tap Export. Here, to directly go to the TikTok app, tap this one and wait for it to completely export. And now here, you are directed to your TikTok application. And as you tap next, you are now ready to post your content. And that's it. Hopefully, you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.